So, hello friends, I'm Sagnik and you're watching Cyber Sagnik Tricks YouTube channel. So today I will show you that how to install OSINT information gathering tool in Termux Android. Latest tricks, okay? So before watching this video, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest tricks. So without time waste, let's start the video. First of all, before starting this video, you just listen all commands in this video. If you skip this video, you may face problem. Okay, so without time waste, let's start the video. First of all, I will type here apt update. Okay, then enter. If you new here, it could take a time. Then after that, it will fix it. Don't worry. It taking time. I may skip this video. As you can see here, it finished. Now I have to type apt upgrade. Okay, now it could like this, then it could take a time little bit. So look, as you can see here, it took time, but it's successfully installed. Now what you have to type pkg upgrade. Okay, now same process, it could take a time little bit. So now after that you have to type here pkg install kit. Yeah, okay, it is take a time little bit. So look, it's successfully installed. Now to type apt install python. Okay, then after the apt install python 2. Okay, and now you type the main repository git clone. Now I will give this link in the description. OSINT. Okay, now simple enter it, and it could take a time little bit. Now it is, as you can see, it's finished. Now ls. Now you can see here OSINT. Look, okay, now to type here cd, copy it and paste here. Now as you can see here, it's active. Now ls, then as you can see here this. Okay, I have to type here chmod plus x. You have to copy setup.sh, then again you have to active this. Okay, now as you can see here, it's active. I have to type here bash. You have to set up it. Okay, I have to paste here again. Now ls. Now look, as you can see here, it's successfully installed. Now I have to type here what you want to do. I have to type this termux. So look, it will automatically install. It's not going to delete it. You want to continue, you have to type yes, allow. It will install in your termux device for upgrading termux. Okay, so in this way you can install all things of all tools of termux. Okay, and in this way you can install the information gathering tool. But by the way, OSINT is actually used for information gathering tool. Okay, so this is the latest trick which I showing. Okay, so in this way you can install. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like and share this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest termux tricks. Bye.